As per our last discussion, we we had covered all the different types of performance testing, and I think like you might have got a good idea about different types of performance test, which is non-functional test, and we had uninstalled, and now in this video I'll be covering how can we install the micro focus LoadRunner tool, and then we'll discuss about the tool and learn many more insights of tool. Okay then, without wasting much time, let's get started. Just directly. Okay, basically this is the LoadRunner tool. So LoadRunner 2021 Community Edition. After you had done all the activities, like once you sign up the page and then you confirm the link, once it is confirmed, you can directly sign into the Micro Focus portal, and then you can download this thing. As I already have in my local, I'll try to demonstrate the same thing. I won't download it any one more time. So let's get started with this thing. So this is the page you will get. I'll just take a snapping. So here you have to give the path where it will be installed, and then we have to extract. Click on the next button. Once it is, we click the next button. The extracting process will start. Okay, let's just wait. Once it complete the extraction progress, one button will pop up. In that button, you have to click yes. You want to make any changes. You okay? Click on OK button. Then it will prepare to install. Okay, so read this instruction carefully. Like the setup wizard will install either Microfocus LoadRunner 2021 or Microfocus Enterprise Host 2021. So we'll continue with LoadRunner. Let's just take a screenshot. Okay, so once we select this particular thing, now you have to click on next button. You have to click the I accept the terms in LoadRunner and start the LoadRunner agent after installation. Create a desktop. I don't want anymore. I just I don't want to start my agent after installation. So we're pretty good at this thing. Now we'll take a screenshot. So read this instruction carefully, and now we can proceed with next button. This is the path where it will be stored. So just taking the screenshot of this. So click on next button, then click on install. Click install to begin the installation. Click back to review. I don't want to review anything or change any of your installation setting. Click next. I'll directly click on next button. And now we'll try to install button. So once you click the install button, the installation process will start. So let's just take a Okay, let's see. Once it will register all the things and install all the things, then we can proceed with that activity. So now as we have come to this phase, micro focus LoadRunner 2021 setup. As we don't have any kind of certificate, uh, so we'll just take a sniping tool here. Click on next. Unspecify it. Click on next. Let's check here. Micro focus. So we'll see views in. So this is the virtual generator we use it. So before starting our load runner, I'll just tell you some of the few insights of load runner so that you will get something about some knowledge about load runner product. So uh, as in performance testing world, load runner is the highest seller or highest used in every industry, every software companies. Like mostly 80 to say 60 to 80% companies use this kind of tool. This is the user interface of this tool, and this is the new version, like 2021 version. So I'll just give some insights before starting. Load runner, leading in performance software, in performance testing world. Most companies use this software for performance testing. Like 60 to 80% into 80% company uses this product. It is a licensing tool, license tool. Sorry. It's a license tool, like or license or paid tool. It also have have a flexibility. in the freeware, it supports for 40 virtual users for load for any kind of testing. It is charged on basis of virtual users. I'll discuss about this thing, virtual users, on my later class once we deep dive on LoadRunner product. So before that, I'll have you guys might have. I wanted to give you a basic knowledge about the product at all, and it also has a variety of protocol. It also supports variety of protocol. Let me just show you what kind of protocol it. When you go to file, new script solution, see this kind of support technology, like this all technologies LoadRunner supports, like all protocol. So basically, do you have any idea about protocol? Protocol is nothing but a set of rules or procedure to exchange, to have a communication between two devices. So let's see what is protocol. Set of rules or procedure a set of rules or procedure to communicate between two devices. So these are the mostly widely used. I'll be covering on this tutorial as uh, web services and HTTP. We'll see web HTTP. So this is the web HTTP, web services, and will, if time permits, we can have some idea about Citrix and other protocols as well. So I'm not going to start anything. Even if some of the technology, like some of the applications support multiple protocols, you can use multiple protocols like Citrix or web HTTP. So you can select any of the two things. Even it supports for mobile and IoT like MQTT, SMP, True Client, True Client Native Mobile, Web Application. So mostly popular protocols are Citrix, Web Services, Oracle NCA, True Client, Web HTTP, DebWeb, Java Record Replay. So this is a wide like this. I'll just take a snapshot. Single protocol. So this is single protocol. We'll even take multiple protocol as well. So this is the category, you can select multiple protocols. So even most popular protocol also mobile protocols. So variety of protocols we have seen, and I already told like LoadRunner supports a variety of protocol. And now coming to this, we'll know some history about LoadRunner. History. So initially, the LoadRunner was acquired by HP in November 26. LoadRunner was an individual product before, was acquired by HP in November 2006. Later, HP started releasing their product with with the name HP LoadRunner. In 2017, HPE LoadRunner is merged with Micro Focus, and from then they started releasing their product with the name Micro Focus LoadRunner. HP launched LoadRunner SaaS version. SaaS SaaS is nothing but software as a service. Software as a service. So this product is launched by HP with the name Performance Center. Like remotely, anyone can access this thing because this has been deployed on the cloud, and with a controller URL, we are able to access the Performance Center. Even I'll describe few things once we proceed with the class about I'll give you a very brief idea about. uh, Performance Center. So we'll just try to take some few snapshot from some of the websites, and I'll explain you guys about how can you upload the scripts in cloud and do a performance testing in the Performance Center, and everything like how can you create a new test set and everything. How can you allocate your time slot? How can you allocate the LG's load generator? Everything I'll be discussing. So HP launched LoadRunner SaaS product, and It called name as Performance Center. So now, as we know some history about LoadRunner, now we'll focus some what is LoadRunner and how it works. How LoadRunner works.